So I've done a lot of videos and pictures of this 2020 F450 here at Akins Ford and Winder, but it's all been dirty in every picture. So here it is, finally clean, ready for delivery, looking amazing. 2020 new gen F450. Installed a ready lift level kit to have it sitting nice, true and level, and it enabled us to fit the 35-inch tires and the 22-inch American forged wheels up under it. Looks great. We actually took these off of his previous body style model truck and put it on the 2020, and it looks great. Want to show you guys, first to market, doing some modifications on the new body style 2020 Super Duty. Nice aggressive offset. Has it looking nice and aggressive. Of course, the Akins spray and liner. He also opted for the decked truck box cargo system. You can put 200 pounds of weight on top of this box, and it has nice, secure, lockable, dry, also dust-proof storage. You can change the cargo system as far as what different drawers and configurations you can take for it. But it looks very nice. Turned out great. Know he'll really like it. Want to bring you guys first shot. Do a little quick walk around for you. Need our ridge grapper, 35, 12 and a half, 22. I love the main changes, guys, is the front end. So the grille, your headlights, lower bumper, all been redone. And of course you've got more power and 10-speed transmission now too. Over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, just insane numbers there. But gotta love it. Ford keep pushing the envelope. Proud to be a part of it.